Davao Oriental, this is where we're at. By the way, I just want you to know that your husband climbed the tree, got the coconut, cut it open, and now he's gonna give you water to drink. Look how cute my wife is. Look, she's offering me the coconut. You're so cute. You wanna go on a date?
Always.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Embarrass him. That's right. Joey, this is real life.
My mom.
Yeah, that's right. It's my wife. Is we decided to go in 2 rides. One in this one, that old beast, and in the ride. Oh yeah, Davao to Mati. You know, I feel a little bit bad for my bike. My son is gonna get on the back. It's like a 25-year-old bike. Could that be considered bike abuse? It maybe. Look, Big Harry. He's coming on, sitting on the back. That guy. Man, I'm telling you, this motorbike drive down here to Dahican is pretty sweet. To Mati Davao Oriental from Davao City. It really is one of the most scenic cruises you could take, I'm telling you. Anyway, we're almost there. We're here at Dinosaur Island. We're gonna continue. Keep on rolling. The crew's just here, little pit stop, little photo stop, which you can see why. I mean, look at that. Ready to roll. All right. I got my co-pilot back, and we're gonna go get to Dahican. Check this place out, isn't that beautiful? Built by my friend June. It's kind of like a tree house. So you got a couple of rooms downstairs.
Well, good morning from Mati Dahican. As you can see behind me here, this is where we're staying. This is like upgraded camping facilities, basically. It really is nice. Just chilling. Kids were sleeping up at the top there in a tent.
My wife and I slept underneath that mosquito net. There she is reading her word. I was in the word. Love that chick. You need a coffee, Joe? I always get him early in the morning like this.
It's one of my favorite things to do, is to capture him in his rawest essence.
Just like that. Let me see. Look at me again, Joe. That's the look. Morning face. Hello. Good morning. Welcome to the castle. Look, check this out. Here's the view from up here. This is pretty spectacular. That is the beautiful ocean right there. Hey, Latin, so we're gonna walk out there. Go out the gate. We're gonna go find some coffee, right, baby? Do you need coffee? Hey, there's your chicken, Latin. There's your chicken. Latin and her chicken.
Where are we going?
I need to go get some stuff.
Some coffee. Can you eat this?
Daddy
Eat it.
and mommy need coffee. What's this?
Banana bread.
Look at that. Banana bread I'm about to destroy.
That was too big. Even though I don't like banana, it's pretty good. Yeah, right? You can't really taste the banana.
Here's a little shop, just a little sari-sari. James has just informed me that if we really want this coffee, right, we have to keep our thumb on that, but I do not care. Because I am gonna have coffee one way or another.
We're gonna be sitting for 10 minutes.
I don't care. That this is the moment of electricity, and the thumb actually be on there. Is that full, bro?
That is pretty
That's
much.
full. Okay. Oh my goodness. So show me the action.
Oh, it's gone.
Oh no. Oh. See, that's because I'm here. That's what I'm talking about. Inside that cupboard once lived a gigantic hairy spider.
I don't want to know if there's any.
And did they have any relatives in here? Don't like it. But I've got to say that the neighbors were probably laughing at us because they heard some noises from multiple sources. But that's okay. The spider he's probably like the palm of my hand size and hairy. Check this out. Coffee, banana bread. Word. Beautiful wife. It's a good start of the day. Let's chill, Joe. Here's the Cubs are chilling in his own little corner. Yeah, boy.
Say hi, Hula.
This is her Hawaiian tropical name. And then there's Latin in the back. Latin? Where's the oh wow, look at that dance. Don't you run away from me. What? This looks like it's a power game. Oh, look at that dance move that Mike is making. Hey Mike, are you destroying him in Uno?
Yep.
Yep. Oh.
I did a color change.
This is fighting talk and fighting nostrils. Hula. Hula. Oh, there it is. And the Latin. Oh, na. See, look, the hula and the Latin. There's the hula move. There's her signature move. Hula and the Latin. What's up, Coaster? The 13-year-old. There's a 13-year-old in the building. He's old. So it's time to go to
Dahican Beach.
To Dahican Beach? What is that place? I've never heard of such a place, Mike.
We're right next to Dahican Beach.
Dahican is not Dahican.
Alright, so the Coaster and I are gonna lead the way on this old hog right here. They're gonna follow us. Joey's locking up. Let's go to Dahican. Alright, there they are. Welcome to Dahican. Mati. No, this is like a family theme, but we're here in Mati again. Haven't made it. Kids are having fun. Check this out. Oh yeah. Joey and Kobe are over there. Beautiful wife over here. James and Leanne over there. The little Latina and the little hula over there. Mike has been learning to surf here. I mean, I can't believe this. He's gone now. He's gone. He's part of the Mian family. So it's pretty awesome. We've had Aaliyah and Esther learning to surf, riding the waves of Dahican. It's pretty sweet, pretty sweet. You can see some of them over there. Whoa, stand up, baby. Oh, look at this surfer. Nice. Yeah, there you go, Esther. There goes the hula girl. Whoa, look at hula and Latin. Whoa! Now that was amazing! There goes the Coaster. I think it's safe to say that our 4-year-old is a maniac. Certified maniac. He gets it from his mom. You know, all this craziness.
You know what to say.
Oh, so smart. So smart. Look, there's a tiny maniac. Little Mike. Well, anyway, that's about it. We are signing out of Amihan for now. It is so beautiful to be here. The kids were just blessed, particularly Esther, Aaliyah, and Micah, by the Amihan family here. They're just helping them out, learning to surf. It really is just awesome. Can't say enough of this place, and it's only 10 to 10 in the morning, so we gotta go and dry off somewhere before we go and ride. It is worth it. I came here on my motorbike. James drove my car. It is just beautiful. And anyway, we'll dry off, go on to the next part of the adventures. There's the crew right there. Just chilling. Just chilling. This is Micah, overtired and fed with mango shake. This is all mango shake and tired Micah mix. Oh. Oh, 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 what's going down here? Oh, okay, oh, one-handed, oh, it's a workout now. Oh, one-handed, oh, with the shooting, who are you shooting? Oh, oh, dab that, oh. This is my little Latin. Say hi. Are you having fun right now in Mati? No, just a little bit.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, Aaliyah, you're gonna show me something with your shirt. Let me see. So, what does this do right now?
This is one picture we have. Okay. Follow your heart. Aww. Okay. So here we go. Then what happens? Whoa, take it easy. What? That's so cool. So hopefully this will be working properly now. All right, so we're in Panabo right now. About to get on the hog. We're about, what, an hour out of home.
Yeah, hopefully so.
And what an awesome trip it's been. Riding this hog from Davao to Mati back to Davao. It's pretty nuts.
Yes.
But it's cool. It's like a 25-year-old XR200 capable of taking the road. You know that. Hardcore, baby. Anyway, on to the homeward journey.